Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share a detailed review of the Dog Grooming Kit, a 14-piece low-noise rechargeable set that's perfect for keeping your furry friends looking their best. We found this product online and have included the link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. This grooming kit is designed with both pets and their owners in mind. It includes a range of tools such as dog clippers, scissors, nail clippers, and a filer, all housed in a convenient set that makes grooming at home easy and efficient. The standout feature of this grooming kit is its ultra-quiet operation. With a noise level below 50 dB, it's ideal for anxious or sensitive pets, allowing them to stay calm and relaxed during their grooming sessions. One of the best things about these clippers is their beginner-friendly design. The kit comes with 6 guide combs, making it suitable for pet owners who may not have previous grooming experience. The one-touch startup feature allows you to get started in just 1 second, and you won't have to worry about running out of power mid-grooming, as the clippers can be used while charging. The sharp yet safe stainless steel blades ensure a precise cut, and the 3-layer protection system minimizes the risk of injury. This makes the clippers perfect for full-body trimming, as well as more delicate areas like paws and faces. If you have a pet with thick or long fur, you'll appreciate that the kit includes scissors for a preliminary trim, making the grooming process smoother and more effective. Maintenance is also a breeze with this grooming kit. The removable cutter head allows for quick cleaning, just rinse it under water, and you're good to go. This feature helps keep your dog trimmer in top condition for every use, ensuring that you can provide salon-quality grooming at home. This grooming kit is suitable for all breeds and hair types, making it a versatile addition to any pet owner's toolkit. Whether you have a dog, a cat, or even a mix of both, this set can handle the grooming needs of your pets effortlessly. Practical use cases for this grooming kit include regular grooming sessions to keep your pet's coat healthy and looking great, as well as special occasions like holidays or pet events where you want your furry friend to shine. With its quiet operation and easy-to-use features, this grooming kit makes the entire process fast, safe, and stress-free. In conclusion, the Dog Grooming Kit is a reliable choice for anyone looking to groom their pets at home. With millions of satisfied customers, it's clear that this kit is trusted by both pet owners